Video 3. Why don't manifestation courses work? Did you know that there were many books taken out of the original Bible? Which is really interesting because these were chapters of real empowerment. And it was a few years ago when I was told, whilst meditating in the south of France with a Black Madonna statue, I was told, go to England, stay there, get these downloads. And I'm like, what are these downloads? Tell me. And I was told, no, just go back to England and wait. And then when I received these teachings, which are actually hidden teachings which have been taken out of sacred texts, hidden from view, which are keys to our empowerment. And they can really help guide us to manifest things very quickly. You know how in the Bible it talks about ask and ye shall receive? But that's only part of the teaching. The rest has been removed. Why does asking not work? In this teaching, it says you basically haven't asked in the correct way. We need to speak to the universal field in the language that it recognizes, and then it can bring that to you. I'm really excited to share this with you. This is part of Shift It. And if you're interested to find out more, you can check out the course. And I would love to offer you a special 15% off. Simply input Shift It 15%, that's the percent sign, off at checkout. Check it out. And video 4 tomorrow.